superfood is known as such thanks to its incredible medicinal properties. Why is cabbage water so beneficial? It's loaded with polyphenols, rich in calcium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, sulfur, potassium, and iodine, as well as containing vitamins A, B1, B2, B6, C, K, and folic acid. Check out these 5 uses of cabbage water. 1. As an alcohol detox. When you consume too much alcohol, it interferes with the digestive system. If you've ever over-imbibed, you probably experienced that horrible morning after feeling that often includes an upset stomach or worse. That's because alcohol destroys a large amount of good bacteria in the gut, which can inhibit the body's ability to absorb essential vitamins and minerals. Experts recommend starting out by drinking 1 glass of cabbage water a day. Take it in the morning on an empty stomach, and gradually increasing that to twice each day. 2. Treat stomach ulcers. Thanks to its high level of phytonutrients, cabbage water can even treat stomach ulcers. The duodenal ulcers of patients who were fed cabbage healed in 1/3 the usual time. Research conducted on 45 inmates in San Quentin prison found that 93% of the ulcers in prisoners healed after taking cabbage water concentrate in capsules for just 3 weeks. The experts believed it worked by helping to strengthen the stomach lining's resistance to acid attacks. 3. Improve your complexion. Cabbage water can be consumed as well as used in beauty treatments to help improve your complexion, thanks to its many phytochemicals and antioxidants. If you want to reduce skin pigmentation and the appearance of dark spots, you can make your own very effective face mask using cabbage water. Simply add a tablespoon of raw honey and a pinch of turmeric to about 1/4 cup of cabbage water. Then, add in just enough rice flour to make a paste. Allow the paste to stand for about 10 minutes, and then, using a cotton ball, apply it to darkened areas of the skin. Let it dry, then rinse with water, pat dry, and apply a moisturizer. 4. Stronger, healthier hair. The high sulfur content of cabbage water is very effective for making weak hair stronger and even averting hair loss. As you would for the skin, drink a glass of cabbage water each morning and include it in a hair mask used externally. 5. Make cabbage water smoothie every day to boost overall health. Just want to take advantage of all the many beneficial nutrients cabbage offers to improve your overall health? You might want to consider a daily green smoothie that includes cabbage water. You'll not only flood your body with the nutrition it needs, but a green smoothie serves as a natural energy booster to help you get going in the morning. It also supports weight loss, strengthens the immune system to keep colds and other illnesses away, helps to fight disease, and is an incredibly easy way to drink a healthy breakfast on the go.